This is a 13 on your side weather update.
Well, the weather felt a little more humid today, perhaps a little bit better to head to the pool or the beach. How about other parts of West Michigan? How about the beaches? Let's take a look ahead at your Friday. Is it going to be dry or wet? Well, the 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We do have some showers in sight during the day tomorrow, but I think most of them will be south of Grand Rapids. And it's green, no change to a warm and humid weather pattern foreseen for one more day on your Friday. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Introducing Echo. Heather, you can take Echo out anytime this evening. A little bit warm, a little bit humid. In the morning, going to give you the yellow paw for around 8 o'clock because there is a chance of some lingering showers, or some showers developing, I should say, that will linger on through the middle of the day. Out on the Big Lake, mainly hazy conditions, a little more sunshine there in Holland. Waves virtually flat. They're 1 foot out at the buoys offshore. Lake Michigan forecast here for tonight. Looking for partly cloudy skies. Waves virtually flat all night long as the winds turn around to the east and northeast, southeast on the south end of the lake. But very light winds, that's what's leading to a little bit of haze as well. Very high dew points over the cooler waters. Water temperatures, though, upper 60s north, low 70s further to the south. Our green energy report starting with solar energy. Perhaps not quite as much sunshine here tomorrow as there was during the day today. Nonetheless, enough to generate some electricity and a little bit more wind than from today because there was virtually no wind throughout the day. That's your green energy report. A little bit more afternoon sunshine. Right now we've become mostly cloudy again here in Grand Rapids. These are the tops of some showers and storms that have dissipated down to our south. Moving through Indiana right now. There are more storms in South Dakota, but no real severe weather expected here throughout the Midwest. Now along this cold front, we're going to pop up some showers, especially south of Grand Rapids during the day tomorrow, and eventually that front will come on through. That's what's going to give us our comfortable weather this weekend. A lot of high clouds right now that are going to clear on out for a little while. Then you notice later on tomorrow morning some showers starting to build and coming up to generally areas south of Grand Rapids before they move on out. And then we got a nice sunny day here during the day on Saturday with a northeast wind, and during the day on Sunday as well. We might just see some high clouds come in later on in the day. In terms of rainfall, most of the rain will be along the Michigan-Indiana border. Doubtful we'll see any here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Temperature-wise, looking at 83 here during the day tomorrow. We'll be a few degrees cooler on Saturday, upper 70s, and then we'll climb back into the mid-80s on Sunday. Long-range outlook says after a brief bit of cool down, we're going to see warmer temperatures return to our area from the 15th through the 21st, and a high chance we'll see very little rain during that 7-day period. Tonight, though, partly cloudy skies, lows to mid-60s north and mid and upper 60s south. It's going to be a rather humid night. Low to mid-60s up north as well, 66 in Greenville, and from Grand Rapids southward we'll be in the mid and upper 60s. You're going to need that air conditioner or that fan tonight. 13 on your side forecast. After the weekend, we have another chance of an overnight shower Monday night into Tuesday morning. After that, warming up from the low 80s into the mid and upper 80s next weekend, and maybe topping out around 92 next Sunday. Well, the Independence Day night showers certainly put a dent in our rainfall deficit. We got a couple of more chances, but not going to see anything like that. 13 weather ball is blinking bright tonight because we do have some showers during the day tomorrow. It's also green, no change for at least one more day of the warm and humid weather pattern foreseen. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Highs today, yeah, back into the low and mid 80s. Advertised 83, we matched to that. We did forecast 82 today. That came within 3 degrees of our forecast high, and we're back on track. In terms of the month of July, through the first 7 days, we're nearly a degree warmer for July. There's that little bit of a quarter inch above average for rainfall, but we have 20% less sunshine. Upper level winds drive our weather patterns. Right now we're being dominated by just a flow coming in off of the Pacific Northwest, so not a lot of humidity, certainly not like what we saw back in May, but the weather pattern is going to change just a little bit early next week. The winds will come out of the northwest, and then they're going to relax, and we're going to get into some of this heat bubble later on next weekend. We've had a few high clouds about the area. a few fair weather cumulus clouds, but no precipitation here today or during the night tonight. We'll see some relief from this cold front as it comes through during the day tomorrow, and that's what's going to trigger the showers off to the south. This is overnight tonight. Will become clear and then mostly cloudy. Notice the showers tomorrow. Most of them are going to be along and south of I-94. There might be a stray shower up here in Grand Rapids, but most of the rain will be in this area, and then it will push to the south, and then we've got nice sunny conditions coming up the rest of the weekend. You can see the rainfall amounts from the model. A half an inch there in Three Rivers, over 2 inches in Hillsdale, but virtually none elsewhere. Maybe just enough to wet the ground here and there. So for tomorrow, look for partly to mostly cloudy skies up north before the skies become sunny. Low 80s in the afternoon, 86 in Muskegon, 83 Holland. There'll be some showers generally from Holland southward. Up north, partly to mostly cloudy and then becoming mostly sunny later in the day. Highs will be in the low 80s. Still a little bit of humidity in the air. That will start to go down later on tomorrow afternoon. And low 80s here in the greater Grand Rapids zone. This is the highest chances for some light showers during the day tomorrow, especially from I-94 southward. 13 on your side forecast. Cooling off from 83 here tomorrow. That's our average high, down to 79 on Saturday, but back up to the mid 80s on Sunday. Another one of these showers coming in Monday night through Tuesday, and early next week will be a little bit below that average high of 83, but dry weather all the way from Tuesday through the following weekend. Look at next weekend, mid and upper 80s Friday and Saturday, and starting low 90s next Sunday.